Let's not waste a second. If you're ready to unlock your inner musician, hit that link in the description for the RockJam 61 keyboard kit right away. Ever dreamed of tickling the ivories but felt completely overwhelmed by where to even start? Well, get ready because I just found the ultimate solution for aspiring pianists. This RockJam kit is an absolute game changer, especially if you're a complete newbie. Seriously, they thought of everything. You get the awesome 61 full-size key digital piano itself, a sturdy stand, a comfy bench, no more balancing on dining chairs, quality headphones for quiet practice, and even a sheet music stand. It's the full studio setup without the headache of buying everything separately. But here's the real magic. It comes with access to the Simply Piano app. Imagine having a personal tutor right there, guiding you through lessons, making learning actual fun. It's brilliant for building confidence and getting you playing real songs super fast. The keyboard itself feels great with its 61 full-size keys, perfect for developing proper technique. And it's not just basic sounds. You've got 200 tones and 200 rhythms to play with, plus 30 demo songs to inspire you. Want to experiment? There's even a pitch bend wheel for some cool effects. You can record and play back your sessions too, which is super helpful for tracking progress. It's also surprisingly lightweight and compact, so you can easily move it around the house or even take it to a friend's place. And power? You can plug it in or even use batteries, giving you total flexibility. For everything you get, this kit is such incredible value. It genuinely feels like a professional setup without the hefty price tag, making it truly worth every penny for anyone serious about learning. So whether you're gifting it to an aspiring musician or finally taking the plunge yourself, this RockJam kit is seriously the best starting point you could ask for. It's time to make some music.